Hello, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and having a wonderful day. Before I started my weekly shopping, I passed by the salon for a quick appointment and I shared a few clips with you. By the time I go back home, it was already around 7 p.m., but I was happy to finally unpack everything I bought. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my weekly shopping haul, including everyday essentials and some healthy food choices for the family. I hope this video gives you a few ideas for your own shopping and helps you make healthy, budget-friendly choices. For the Delamere one, it's crispy and crunchy, refreshing lemon taste that is perfect. And for the mango flavor, it's rich and creamy and packed with sweet tropical mango flavor. For the vanilla flavor, they can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. For the cornflakes, it's a popular breakfast cereal, provides carbohydrates for energy, and these can help. It can help you start your day with energy. These are noodles, supermojo, one of the quickest and most popular meals which are easy to prepare. To make it nutritious, you can add vegetables like carrots, spinach, or bell peppers, and maybe include sorts of protein like beans, eggs, chicken, or fish. This one for bread spread and can also be used in cooking and baking. It's best in moderation usage since it contains fat and contributes to calories. With a bake, it's rich in fiber that supports healthy digestion. You can enjoy it with milk or yogurt, and you can add fresh fruits like banana, berries, or mango. I also have with me different types of flour. So it's self-raising. I love it because it contains baking powder, which is suitable for cakes, mandazis, pancakes, or even scones. For ajab, you can use it for making chapatis, cookies, and many other recipes. So whether you're baking or cooking, ajab is a convenient choice for homemade meals. Toto Afia for the kids. For nutritious porridge for your little one, you can go for this. It helps support healthy growth alongside other nutritious foods. For the ugali, this is a great source of carbohydrates, providing energy for daily activities. And ugali can be served with veggies, fish, meat. For these tomatoes, I got them also at 150 shillings, and they are rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and contain vitamin A, which maintain healthy vision. For the onions, bought them at 100 shillings. Generally, onions are for adding flavor to almost every meal. For the potatoes, these are Irish potatoes, which are packed with nutrients and contain vitamin C. Matoke, they are low in fat and can be served with veggies, beans, meat, or even eggs. For the spring onions, I love them since they are full of flavor, and I mostly prefer using them in samosas, spring rolls, and green grams. A balanced shopping basket is the first step to a balanced lifestyle. And remember, food health starts with smart food choices. Shop wisely, eat well, and be healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lifestyle content and recipes.